Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is an evergreen shrub. It grows in India, the Middle East, and parts of Africa. For centuries, ashwagandha has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurveda is a holistic healing system from India. Ashwagandha is classified as an adaptogen. Adaptogens are believed to help the body adapt to stress. Ashwagandha is gaining popularity as a natural remedy for stress. It's available in various forms, including powders, capsules, and teas. Many people are turning to this ancient herb for relief. They are seeking help with managing the demands of modern life. Ashwagandha is believed to offer a range of health benefits. One of its most touted benefits is its potential to reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that ashwagandha may help lower cortisol levels. Cortisol is often referred to as the stress hormone. By reducing cortisol, ashwagandha may promote a sense of calm and well-being. In addition to stress relief, ashwagandha is also being explored for its potential to improve sleep quality. Some studies suggest that it may help individuals fall asleep faster and experience more restful sleep. This is particularly promising for those who struggle with insomnia or other sleep disorders. Ashwagandha is also being studied for its potential cognitive benefits. Preliminary research suggests that it may enhance memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. While more research is needed in this area, the initial findings are promising. Ashwagandha is generally considered safe for most adults when taken in appropriate doses. However, like any herbal supplement, it's essential to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before adding it to your regimen. Some individuals may experience mild side effects, such as upset stomach, diarrhea, or drowsiness. It's crucial to be aware of potential interactions with medications. Ashwagandha may interact with certain medications, including those for thyroid disorders, blood pressure, and immunosuppressants. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's essential to talk to your doctor before using ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has a long history of use in traditional medicine, and its popularity as a natural remedy is growing. While some studies suggest potential benefits for stress, anxiety, sleep, and cognitive function, it's important to note that research is ongoing and more evidence is needed to confirm these effects. Ashwagandha is generally considered safe for most adults when used appropriately, but side effects and interactions with medications are possible. As with any supplement, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before taking ashwagandha, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. A balanced approach, combining ashwagandha with other stress-reducing practices like meditation, yoga, and a healthy lifestyle, may offer a holistic approach to well-being.